Hello, the student of class 8. Now we will read English subject, new images, lesson 4 poem, The Nightingale and the Glowworm. In this poem, the poet has shown an encounter between a nightingale bird and a glowworm firefly, जुगनू के लिए कहा गया है. Let's read the poem. A nightingale that all day long has cheered the village with his song, nor yet at eve his note suspended. Note means song. Suspended. Stop. Nor yet when eventide was ended, eventide evening. Was ended, began to feel as well he might the keen demands of appetite. In this extract, the poet described about the hunger of a bird when the night stopped, and he began to sing as the evening was ended at morning speed. कवि इसमें कहता है कि पूरे दिन एक बुलबुल गांव में प्रसन्नता से गाती रहती है. जब रात समाप्त नहीं होती है, लगभग नहीं हुई थी, तब वो शायद थोड़ा भूख महसूस करती है. When looking eagerly around, he spied far off upon the ground a something shining in the dark, and knew the glowworm by his spark. When the nightingale noticed on the ground, he found that something was lighting there and guessed that it is the firefly who is sparkling now. जब उसने बड़ी उत्सुकता से जमीन पर देखती है, तब वो पाती है कि शायद कोई एक चीज चमक रही है, और ये फायरफ्लाई है, जुगनू है, ग्लोवर्म है. So stopping down from hawthorn top, a small tree, hawthorn means bush. With bush top, she noticed there. Nightingale noticed there on the top of a small tree or bushes belong thorn, and glowworm was sparkling there. वहाँ ध्यान देती है तो जुगनू चमक रहा होता है. He thought to put him in his crop. The worm, aware of his intent, crop, eat. Yes? Not to eat. In here, A pouch located in a bird belly. बस. Nightingale wanted to put it into its pouch. The worm, aware of his intent, the glowworm, firefly, know, aware of his desire, intent, harangued him this thus right eloquent. Harangued spoke to someone in a very harangued request. That's right, eloquent. Fluent, expressive. Did you admire my lamb? Quoth he. Quoth said. Glowworm urged to the nightingale, are you admiring my coat? I said, as much as I your minstrelly singing. You would abhor to do me wrong, abhor. Dislike. To do me wrong, as much as I do, spoil your song. For it was the self-same power divine. The glowworm urged to nightingale, it is the divine power of, if you spoil to me, then it may be I can spoil your song. अगर आप हमारे इस दैवीय गुण को मिटा दोगे तो ये भी हो सकता है कि हम आपके गाने को भी गंदा कर सकते हैं. Taught you so sing and me to shine. The God has given the power to song you, to sing you and me to shine. आपको गाने का दिया है और हमें चमकने का दिया है. That you with music and I with light. You looked so beautiful with your sign music and I with light. Might beauty and cheer the night. Or maybe both equal beauty, equal beauty, music and you cheered to the person by the music and I cheered the person with the light in the night. आप गाने से सबको प्रसन्न करती है और मैं करती हूँ, और मैं अपनी प्रसन्नता अपने चमक से. द songster heard his short oration speech. When the nightingale heard the speech of the glowworm and warbling out his approbation, warbling, singing, approbation, agreement, released him as my story tells, and found a supper somewhere else. When the bird heard glowworm's speech about the light and singing, she released it and began to search the food, night's dinner or supper in other ways. Now, answer these questions. First question में complete these sentence. The nightingale. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का A, B, C and D. A, B, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का C and D are your homework. You have to complete by seeing the lines of the poem. Now, second question. How did the nightingale see the glowworm? The question number 2. How did the nightingale see the glowworm? Question 2. Answer. Very eagerly. Did he consume the glowworm? Question 3. Answer. No, he did not consume glowworm because the glowworm हो गया, शुरू करें. No, he did not consume the glowworm because the glowworm requested him and said, both beautify the night. Question number 4. You have to also your homework. Question number 4. This is your homework. Now your poem has completed.